Petrol or diesel spilled on a freshly repaired tar patch will start breaking down the binder and weakening the repair almost immediately. So act quickly. First, remove as much liquid as you can without spreading it further by blotting with old rags or absorbent material like kitty litter, sand, or sawdust, working from the outer edge toward the center to avoid enlarging the stain. Next, wash the area with a generous amount of warm water and a mild detergent while scrubbing with a stiff bristle brush to disperse and lift residual fuel. Do not use harsh solvents that can drive fuel deeper into the paving or further dissolve the tar. Rinse thoroughly until the runoff appears clear, and then absorb and remove excess water so the patch can begin to dry. Once dry, inspect the patch by pressing lightly with a screwdriver or blunt tool to test cohesion and look for softening, crumbling, or depression that indicates binder breakdown. If the surface is only slightly stained but feels firm, allow 24 to 48 hours of dry weather to ensure full evaporation before applying any protective seal coat. If you see weakening or loss of material, lightly sand the compromised area to remove contaminated binder and loose aggregate, then clean again before applying a compatible cold patch or hot mix overlay following the manufacturer instructions for compaction and curing. Common mistakes are waiting too long to remove the fuel, which lets it penetrate deeper and causes more extensive binder failure, so always blot and wash immediately. Another error is using strong solvents or petroleum-based cleaners to remove the spill, which can worsen the damage by dissolving more tar, so stick with soap and water and mechanical agitation first. A third frequent problem is failing to test the repair before sealing or leaving the area exposed to traffic too soon. Check firmness and appearance after drying and, if necessary, perform sanding and recoating rather than assuming the repair is sound. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where people share real-world experiences and practical tips about repairs like this. We help contractors find work by letting them join conversations, showcase their expertise, and connect directly with nearby homeowners looking for help.